We're looking at another stove today, but instead of your typical open flame stove, we have the Jetboil Zip, a stove which encloses the flame for maximum efficiency. How well does this work? I'll let you know. My name is Chris, and this is Gear Cache. The Jetboil Zip is a butane stove and pot combination that packs a punch over conventional stoves. Weighing in at 12.5 ounces and packing down to a cylinder 4.5 inches in diameter and 6.5 inches tall, this is not the lightest or smallest stove, but at 4,500 BTUs, this stove can heat half a liter of water in a quick 90 seconds. Now the Zip is not at the forefront of this technology, but it is a simple example of how these types of stoves work. The base of the stove is your typical butane head, but includes a shroud that connects securely to the base of the boiler cup. The base of the boiler cup is designed to capture as much heat as possible and transfer it to the liquid inside, boiling your water much faster. While the water boil time is impressive, there are a couple of things to note. Half a liter is the maximum capacity of the Zip, and the time to boil will vary based on the remaining fuel in your canister. Overall, the Jetboil Zip is constructed well. The included canister stabilizer is sturdy, can accommodate most isobutane canisters, and includes small rubber pads at the ends so it won't slide around. The stove and cup are both highly durable, and the cup includes a koozie which allows you to grab the cup filled with boiling water without fear of burning yourself. After an entire life of knowing not to touch hot pots directly, grabbing this thing was a bit odd to get used to. The kit includes a lid which can be used to sip your morning hot beverage of choice, or used as a strainer to assist with cooking your noodles. And lastly, there is also a small cup which can be used for measuring or eating from. All of these items fit inside each other so that while on the trail, the overall space of the stove is minimal. There is even space for a 4-ounce fuel canister inside the cup. So while the Zip is not the most smallest compact stove out there, it doesn't waste any space either. Once you've stopped to camp and are ready to cook, pull out all the parts from inside the cup and detach the bottom cover as well. Screw the burner onto your fuel canister, making sure the gas valve is closed before doing so. Then go ahead and attach the stabilizer legs to the canister. Find a safe place to set down the burner for now and make sure it won't be tipped over easily. Before lighting the burner, prepare the cup with water or whatever else you intend to heat with it. Now go ahead and light the burner using a lighter or matches that you'll have to supply yourself, but leave the flame at a low setting for now. Place the cup into the burner, matching the two side grooves with the matching points on the burner shroud. Turn to lock into place, and now you're set to crank up the heat. Overall, the ease of use and speed of boiling water make this a decent stove, but there are some things that may steer you towards other products. For starters, many more recent and more pricey models include piezo ignitions, saving you the use of matches or a lighter. Also, with the burner fitting inside the boiler cup, I can see this as causing scratches in the cup and eventually wearing things out. The burner control knob is also a bit stiff, so it's hard to feel when you've fully tightened and closed off the valve completely. But if you're okay with a half-liter capacity and don't need all the bells and whistles, the Jetboil Zip is not a bad option. And with a cheap add-on, can even become a proper stove, allowing you to cook a wider variety of meals with it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button, get subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. A special thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping me out. And if you have any suggestions for future content, leave those in the comments section below. We'll see you next time.